Did you know if you have got YouTube Premium, you could listen to YouTube Music for free, where you can download songs, lock your screen, and still listen to YouTube Music with more than 100 million songs from any country that you're interested in. So let's get YouTube Music on our iPhone. Open App Store and search for YouTube, then select YouTube Music from the results. Tap on it to select it. It has a very high rating of 4.6. So tap on Get to install it, then tap on Open to start YouTube Music. Tap on Sign In. Select Continue, enter your Gmail ID that you have used to purchase YouTube Premium, enter your password to sign in. On the top, you could see your location related songs, and as you scroll down, you could select any of these interesting sections. At the top, there are shortcuts to your most used sections. You could also listen to podcasts. After selecting any playlist, you could quickly download it by tapping on the downward arrow, and the check mark next to the song means that song is now downloaded and you could listen to it offline. And when you tap on the kebab menu, you could save to playlist and many other options. And when you tap on the plus icon, the playlist would be added to your library. After tapping on the play, the whole playlist would start playing. You could view the lyrics, find related songs, tap on the thumbs up button to like it so that YouTube could suggest more similar songs, and if you want, you can watch its video. And just like in YouTube, you could write comments or view other people's. Easily you can move to any part of the song, and when you turn off your screen, the song would continue playing in the background. And without fully unlocking your phone, you could pause and play, move to any part of the song, or play the next or previous song. And if you're on a song that you really like, then if you would select the kebab icon, you could go to the album of that song and listen to its whole album. At the bottom, if you select explore, you could explore all these different genres: classical, country, Bollywood, and many more. And if you would select charts, you could select literally any country in the world or even global and find the top songs of that country. And when you're bored, tap on these samples and watch some shots. To quickly find your saved playlists and downloads, tap on the library. You could find your full listening history in here, and then if you would select playlists, you could see all your playlists and which one are downloaded, where you could listen offline on a plane or simply save your data. I think YouTube Music is one of the best music streaming app out there. If there is anything more that you want to learn about YouTube Music app, please let me know in the comments.